Hello? Can the quality of components from old data code still be used? Why is there the popular saying that the quality of components will decline when they expire? In fact, a large number of manufacturing industries still use old components, especially when components are in short supply. Using older components is a choice many people have to make. In other words, there are many components with old age in the electronic equipment you use now. If old components cannot be properly stored, moisture in the air will enter the components, causing the components to be soldered in actually application scenarios. The solderability is reduced. During the high temperature reflow soldering process, moisture evaporates inside the components, causing the components to bulge and crack. This is caused by poor storage of components and cannot prove that the quality of old components is unreliable. In fact, all components are well beyond the critical range established by manufacturers, and the chip and die life is extremely long. In 1998, someone specifically conducted experiments and inspection on a Best American aerospace-grade transistor CANS2N2219AL with the production data of 1918. This batch of components had been stored for 70 years. At that time, the inspector randomly inspected 10 tubes. The 6,000 volt power life test found that the electrical parameter changed very little, which showed that the long-term storage had no impact on its reliability. In 2006, when these components were 16 years old, they were retested, and the result was the same as those in 1998. The parameters of the year are all consistent, with almost no obvious changes. Of course, this is an aerospace-grade components. In my more than 70 years of experience in the supply of electronic components, I have seen most of components used by terminal manufacturers. The most exaggerate one was that the terminal manufacturer used components from 73 years ago. In fact, the application situation is not as bad as imagined. Components that are properly stored for a long time will not affect their solderability and quality. The key is whether the components can be properly stored in an environment with balanced temperature and humidity. There are also many components suppliers that have a service life of more than 10 years and properly. The stored components were subjected to solderability research, and the quality of components stored in the sealed bags was not significantly different from this in the new data code. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I'm Arina from Chip Square. I will be very happy if you leave a message and tell me if you have any ideas. See you next time. Bye!